Hello everyone and thank you for watching. So this box contains the Apple Cinema display that I ordered last week for my my Mac. It just came. I heard the FedEx truck, so I ran right out because it's raining outside. And here it is. Gonna unpack it. Alright, so here's the knife. I hope the camera stays. It's supposed to be in 7 out of 10 condition. Oh, that's a lot of foam. That is not a good sign. It's packed in pure foam. So that means the thing is just banging in there. Alright, let me bring the garbage can in. It's actually not too bad packed, but they just didn't wrap it good. Alright. So far the bag looks in good condition. Let me take all this plastic off and go connect it. That's a lot of fucking foam. It filled up my garbage pail. Look at that shit. Well, there it is. I'm gonna go take that one apart, try to install Windows on my freaking Mac, and it's not working. Windows 10 1903. Well, here goes nothing. Alright, so I connected the new Apple Cinema display that I got. It's dead in the water. There's no power. I guess no power coming out of the monitor. I tried different cables. This is my regular monitor. I tried this cable into it and it just does not come on. So has to go back or get my money back.